Hello guys, I'm here trying to help you on how to create an account on Wise. So let's start it. If you like it, please give it a like for the video and also subscribe. Otherwise, if you don't like it, it's not a problem. You can also put that you did not like it and also to write a comment for the next video and I can get better. Okay, let's go. So first of all, to start your account with Wise, it's quite easy. You only need to click on the reference link of Wise that will redirect you for the website of Wise. Okay, and here we are, and you can also change the language. In this case is in English of United States, but you can change for your language. And we go to register. Okay, let's click on register, and here we need to write our personal email. So for example, wise@yahoo.com. For example, I don't know, Mark, I don't know. It's your personal email, and you click on next. And you can also use the Gmail account from Google, and also a Facebook email, and also Apple email. This only will make it easy for you to create your account. Otherwise, if you want to use your personal email, you only need to write here your personal email and click on next. So let's write this personal email and let's go to the next phase, clicking on next. Okay, I have clicked on next, and now we have a personal account or business account. This is the kind of account that you would like to open. So today we're going to choose for personal account. So let's click on it. And the country that I'm living in, as you can see that I'm not a native in English, but I'm trying to help you in English. So let's put here United States or United Kingdom. You can decide where you're living now, and let's click on continue. Okay, so here we have the +1, that is the code from United States, but if you live on another place it will be different code. And here you only need to enter your phone number, and after that you're going to receive a verification code that you need to also write down here the verification code. And let's go to the next phase and you can see how is that. So let's write your phone number and to click on send verification code. So here we are. We only need to type the 6-digit security code number that we have received on the phone. So we type it here, for example, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and we click on submit. This is not the, of course, that it's not the code that I have received. You are going to receive your personal code, and you need to write it here and to click on submit. And after that, you only need to create a password, and that's it. It's quite easy, and you have created your account with Wise. I'm also going to help you on how to create a borderless account with different currencies, and also how to ask the Wise card. I think that's the most important thing from Wise, because I like it a lot, the card, because we can use with different currencies in different countries. I have used it and I like it. So I hope that you have liked the video. I made it in English to try to help the a lot of people that speak English. I know that, so I hope that I have helped, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.